How to use sign-in info to auto-finish setting up a device after an update or restart in Windows 10. By default, Windows asks for your login credentials after a restart or update. While the Use My Sign-in Info option allows the system to complete the setup automatically, this feature may pose certain security risks. In this video, we'll briefly discuss how this feature works and how to prevent Windows from setting up using your sign-in info after updates or restarts. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How does Use My Sign-in Info work? Use My Sign-in Info is a Windows 10 feature that allows the system to automatically use the current user's credentials to finish setting up after a system update or restart. The feature helps speed up the update process and restore the user session more efficiently. On the one hand, Use My Sign-in Info speeds up the login process and removes the need to re-enter credentials, making it ideal for personal devices and users who prioritize convenience and productivity. On the other hand, this feature can pose security risks on shared or public computers by auto-filling credentials, potentially exposing sensitive data or making the system more vulnerable to malware. How to configure Use My Sign-in Info. There are a few different ways to enable or disable automatic sign-in after a Windows update or restart, depending on your system edition and preferences. Below are 3 common methods, each suited for different user types and environments. Since the steps for each method can be a bit lengthy, be sure to check the full blog post for detailed instructions. Using Windows settings. The quickest way to manage this feature is through the Sign-in Options tab under Settings. You can easily toggle the option to use your sign-in info after a restart. It's a simple on or off switch that works across most Windows editions. Using Group Policy Editor. For Pro and Enterprise users, you can use the Group Policy Editor to control sign-in behavior after restarts. This method gives admins more control, especially in managed environments. Using Registry Editor. If you're on a Home edition, the Registry Editor lets you enable or disable this feature by editing or adding a registry key. This method is best suited for advanced users familiar with scripts, as making mistakes in the registry can impact your entire system. While it may be convenient, enabling the Use My Sign-in Info feature can introduce security risks on shared devices. It's best used only on personal, trusted devices where unauthorized access isn't a concern. For more information, check out our official blog post on using sign-in info to automatically finish setting up a Windows 10 device after an update or restart, linked in the description below.